Geek VR sent me over this VR head strap, and I may have broken the first one because of it just being faulty. However, the second one they sent me is holding up actually pretty good, and this might be my new favorite headband. So before you go out and buy one, here's 3 good and bad things you need to know before you go shelling out some money. First is the head strap uses these nice compact 5000 milliamp batteries that just magnetically connect in this little dock in the back. And besides making it super easy to switch while playing, they also act as a counterweight. Secondly is the soft memory foam that actually feels really comfy on your head and would be really nice, especially for those long VR gaming nights. Thirdly is this knob on the back that makes it super easy to get a perfect fit, especially if you have a smaller head, you can adjust it just right. Then we have some bad things that you need to know before you go and buy this. They're not horrible, but they're good to know. First is, well, the head strap is very stiff on the Quest, so if you do put it on, you gotta be really careful taking it off, and you gotta use a lot of force. Second is this point right here actually has a lot of stress on it, and if you're not careful and you flex this part too much, you might end up breaking it. So just be a little careful, especially around this part when you're taking it on and off. Is the Type-C cord kind of feels a little bit on the cheaper side. It's not the worst one I've seen, but it could be better. And then it doesn't come with any Velcro straps, which isn't really a big deal, but would have been nice to have. So I am excited to see what they come out with next, and I think their version 2, if they do have one, will be absolutely amazing. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and of course, catch you guys in the next one.